Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to do a rabbit, so let's get started. First, draw a curve here. Now just follow with me. And then draw a ribbon here. Now draw the body. And the leg. Now draw the hands. Draw the tail and the ears. Draw the detail. Now draw two rabbit eyes inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. And a nose. Now we have a cute rabbit.
I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.